My name is Nastasia Aurelios. My startup is called Team Mission Australia, and we offer career education workshops for young people in high schools to prepare them for the future world of work. I think the best aspect for me throughout the Trobe Accelerator Program were the connections that I had with my mentors. I could bounce ideas off them and just speak to them about what was going on with my startup, and they were able to give me that professional advice and guidance, which was really amazing. I also think that the workshops that the Accelerator Program offered to the whole cohort were really beneficial. I learnt so much from digital marketing to managing a budget to pivoting, and even just getting up on stage to pitch my idea to an audience was just an incredible experience. And just being connected with like a community like that really helped. My advice to anyone out there is if you've got an idea or something that you're really passionate about and you don't know where to begin, a program like the Trobe Accelerator Program is so beneficial because you'll meet all those amazing mentors that will really encourage you, understand you, and inspire you to continue your path, overcome those challenges, and just keep moving forward.
My name is Martin. My company is called Bamba Chocolate, and we are supporting change through fine flavored Colombian chocolate. Through the sale of covered Inca berries and cacao nibs, we are supporting farmers in Colombia who swap from illegal crops to cacao cultivation. It's so far one of the best experiences here in Australia as international students, and the networking events, the content of the classes, the people that we met, all of them so different backgrounds. It was a great experience for us. Today we have a more strong strategy. We have a wide perspective of who we are as a business and where we are playing. This was like a good start. It encouraged us and made us a bit more confident and ready to go to the market, which is huge.
My name is Tipu Sultan, and I'm the co-founder of Clipboard. Clipboard, it's a professional social media for hospitality. The whole idea is for them to showcase their talent by displaying their photos or videos, hashtagging their skills. And that helped them to reach out to more people who are in hospitality, enable them to showcase their talent and also a career progression. What I really find helpful is that La Trobe also focus on our mental health. And it is crucial for me because when we start our startup, we leave our job and everything, and we're 24-hour involved in that business, which we obviously don't get paid. But the idea and the hope is that someday we will make it. But that journey is really tough. So sharing that experience with other fellow entrepreneurs helped us because every one of us were quite vulnerable. We are taking a huge risk of our life that we will leave everything and then start this new journey. I had problems, I had challenges. I had someone to go and ask them that, look, this is what I'm facing. Am I doing the right thing? Should I be doing something different? And that support was always there from everyone involved in the program.
My name is Darine. I'm from Little Green Panda, and our mission is to eliminate single plastic straws and paper straws by using agricultural wastes. Our straws are handmade by female farmers in Vietnam, but also close to the border of Mongolia. The seminar we attend was very helpful and valuable because it helped us to reorganize our work and try to figure out how we can make better because there are some points we are not very good at it. So I was like straight away to my team members and say, oh, this is what he said, we need to do that. Why not maybe to reorganize some point? We said, oh, everything we've done before maybe is not that great. We need to change a little bit. So some mentor like him was so good and so helpful and rich for us.
My name is Hang Chuan and I'm the founder of Rolling Fun Service. So Rolling Fun offers a workshop about healthy eating and multicultural capability to kindergartens and primary schools. So we inspire kids to enjoy a culturally healthy eating through multiple arts forms and through making rice paper rolls. Although I got a business degree and I learned a lot of theory, but there's lots of mentors, advisor outside, and they can see how the business work and they can advise me to adjust that. So from the fact that changing the mindset in running business is a very good thing that I achieved through the Accelerator Program.
G'day, I'm Bruce Hildebrand. I'm the CEO and founder of Trimeo. Trimeo's mission is to use space better across the world. As a long-term Pilates studio owner, that was my first foray into really seeing the importance of using space efficiently. I'm originally from northeast Victoria myself, in a regional area, so the fact that that was supported by La Trobe was again another standout reason why to move forward with that. And actually it was very refreshing to head up to the regional campuses through the program because it's just very salt of the earth sort of country and great people to deal with, and that spoke volumes of the program as we worked in the city as well. It's really helped to step up and accelerate what we're up to with our original plans. It's brought together many things along the value proposition conversation and getting crystal clear with our customer validation. And the support we particularly achieved through the mentorship from the staff at La Trobe was really guiding of where we needed to go.